welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Now we are going to learn about words starting with letter K. K for key. K for king. K for kite. K for kitten. K for kit. K for kids. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for keyboard. K for kettle. K for knife. K for kennel. K for ketchup. K for kitchen. K for knee. K for kabaddi. K for kale. K for kayak. K for koala. K for kumquat. K for kohlrabi. K for kick. K for knit. K for kidney. K for kiss. K for king cobra. K for knot. K for kidney beans. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.